Touching modernity and keeping pace with the times, BMTF Apparels Limited stands tall as an export-oriented industrial enterprise. International standard clothing is being made here through a combination of modern technological machines and skilled artisans. Producing all types of woven and knit garments, BMTF Apparels creates aesthetically designed clothes to meet the lifestyle and fashion demands of the general public alongside the military and other forces. It has already begun manufacturing and exporting uniforms for the military forces of different countries. Operating in compliance with all international standards, this institution has an annual garment production capacity of $100 million. BMTF Apparels Limited aims to conquer the world through quality and trust.